It was an intense 6 months journey for the startups, but also for us. We are so glad to have such an amazing event in place for the first ever demo day of Elevate. We're gonna kick things off with a masterclass by Kai Hagros.
I think it's a great idea for people who share the same interest to come together and spend 6 months together, also learn from each other and get sort of a peer support and peer learning and maybe even peer pressure to come up with their MVPs and product prototypes faster to the market.
The great thing about TheVentury is that because they already have experience, they can help other people get into the field and really build great bots from the beginning and just increase the overall quality.
So it's definitely something you should try out or consider. Elevate helped us from the basic zero part of wanting to pivot from a normal app to a chatbot. Helped us from the zero to where we are now, to having a functional prototype. All in terms of development, in terms of user interface design, and marketing and growth hacking. So all of these topics, Elevate, like the TheVentury team, can help you here and can get you from like zero to hero. We're not hero yet, but we're trying to get there. So yeah.